This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. It's time to plan an escape to the beach. This coastal 3-bedroom condo has an open floor plan flooded with natural light, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and updated furnishings. The master suite offers a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. Additional conveniences included secure parking, owner-only access to fitness center, 3 swimming pools, event spaces, and on-site restaurants. Short-term rentals are permitted. August 30, 2024. For more information, review the details below.